Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Imran Hakim. Now we are going to explain operating system from a computer system perspective. What is operating system? Operating system is a crucial component of computer system, acting as an intermediary between computer hardware and software applications. It manages hardware resources, provides an environment for software to run, and offer various services to users and programs. Here's an overview of the operating system from a computer system perspective, highlighting its pros and cons. The pros are resources management. Operating system efficiently manage hardware resources like CPU, memory, disk space, and I/O devices. It allocates these resources to different applications, ensuring optimal performance and stability. Next is multitasking. Modern operating systems allow multiple applications to run simultaneously, sharing system resources. This is essential for productivity and efficient use of a hardware. The cons for operating system from computer system perspective is complexity. The complexity of operating system can lead to vulnerabilities, bugs, and stability issues. This complexity also makes troubleshooting and maintenance more challenging. Next, resource usage. Operating system consume a significant portion of a system resources like memory and CPU, which could otherwise be used for running applications. To demonstrate how an operating system works, consider the process of opening a file. First, user command. The user clicks on a file icon in the graphical user interface. Second, system call. The action triggers a system call to the operating system to open the file. Third, resource allocation. The operating system allocates memory and CPU resources to this task. Fourth, file system access. The operating system uses the file system to locate and access the file on the storage devices. Fifth, data loading. The file data is loaded into memory. Sixth, application interaction. The corresponding application is notified to display or edit the file. Seventh, output display. The OS manages the display output to show the file content to the user. In this process, the operating system is managing resources, interfacing with hardware, handling file system interaction, and providing a user interface for the interaction, showcasing its integral role in computer operation.
I experienced many problems and I addressed the issues and I see how the problems can be fixed. As you can see right here, I'm a gamer and I play a lot of games, as you can see right here. But the problem is, I didn't have the problem that the system requirement needs. So in order to do that, I just address the issue and I see and I analyze it and I see that, oh, my PC has low NPC and it can support this high FPS and it can support this type of FPS and it also can support this high resolution. It's actually can't expect the game that I experienced in. So I address the issue and I say that, oh, you know what, I just change the graphics to lower settings, and you know what, I also change the graphics, and then I also increase the RAM, or actually I update the graphic drivers in here. So once I do that, the game is already fixed and the game is already run smoothly. So the problem is fixed. Now let's move on to network problems. Now let's move on to the Wi-Fi connectivity problems. As you can see, this is a Wi-Fi router, and what has it inside it? Of course, it's actually operating system. It operates the LAN networks and the WAN networks. So there's a problem, and you just can't guess what the problem is. Slow in the connection, weak connection, and lost connections. That's the main problem. It's a common normal. It's quite common actually. So the problem is, you can just fix it by actually doing this. You restart the Wi-Fi networks, and then wait 10 seconds, and then you just reboot the Wi-Fi router. I hope it helps. And what do you expect me to say? Troubleshoot the problems and buy the new modern router? You know what? Let's just move on to the mobile network. Now finally, let's move on to my experience with application software. As you can see right here, I just enter a lot of application software. So as you can see right here, my memory, don't worry, if you don't see it, I can just pop up the picture right here. As you can see, the memory increases from 80% to staggering 87%, which you might think is not bad, but it's bad for my PC. It's so bad that I just need a cooling pad to decrease the heat for my PC. Else, the memory becomes 90% or might become higher. So in order to fix it, you just need to actually just stop this software, and then that's how you're done. And then the memory, as you can see the picture I just mentioned right here, it decreases from 80% to 70% or 72%, which kind of makes sense. So thank you. And
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Improving the user experience and efficiency of an operating system better and more efficient require a mix of technology changes, user interface improvement, and teaching user how to use the system better. To reach these goals, here are some ideas. Improvement in technology. Streamlining the operating system to lower resource use. RAM CPU is one way to improve performance. Speed up the time it takes to start up and open apps. Make services and process that run in the background more efficient. Second thing, improve support for hardware. Make sure it works better with many old and new hardware. Drivers and hardware control tools should be updated regularly. 3. Better safety features. Use advanced safety procedures and fences. Security changes that fix or regularly include protection and anti-malware tools. 4. Strong error handling and diagnostic. Pull better error message and give more information. Have diagnostic tools and repair teams built in. Set up automatic way to fix known problems. Change to user interfaces and experiences. 1. Used to use and customizable design. Make an easy to use design for new and experienced customer. Gives the user the tools, theme, icon, styles to change how the interface looks and feels. Second thing, features for accessibility. Make it easier for people with disability to use your site by adding screen readers, voice recognition, and word size that can be changed. Support more than one language and make it easy to switch between them. Better management of files. Make file management tools that work better and are easier to use. Add strong search tools to make it easy to find files. 4. Smooth multitasking and workflow management. Make it more accessible to switch between windows and more than one thing at once. Add tools for organizing workspaces such as virtual screen. Thank you, sir.